The hidden wonders of the humane body. The human body is a marvel of nature. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought is powered by an intricate system that has evolved over millions of years. Today, we'll explore 10 hidden wonders inside you, proof that your body is one of the greatest masterpieces of evolution. The brain, weighing around 1.4 kilograms, generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. For instance, the electrical activity of neurons can fluctuate and produce measurable brainwave patterns, such as alpha and beta waves. Additionally, studies have shown that even in a resting state, the brain consumes about 20% of the body's total energy despite accounting for only about 2% of the body's weight. Another example is that the brain's neural connections, estimated to be around 100 trillion synapses, enable complex functions like memory, decision-making, and emotional responses, showcasing its critical role in defining personal identity and consciousness. The heart's beating frequency can be compared to a drummer keeping a steady tempo, providing the necessary rhythm for the entire body. For instance, during exercise, the heart rate increases to supply more oxygen-rich blood to the muscles, similar to how a car accelerates to accommodate more demand on the engine. Furthermore, the heart's ability to continue beating outside the body has been demonstrated in medical scenarios, such as when heart transplants are performed, showing its remarkable resilience and independence. Additionally, studies show that the heart's electrical system is akin to a backup generator that ensures power supply to critical systems even during outages. Your immune system acts like a vigilant army, comprised of various components that each play specific roles in defense. For instance, white blood cells, such as T cells and B cells, are essential for recognizing and attacking pathogens. Antibodies are proteins that target and neutralize foreign invaders. Phagocytes, like macrophages, engulf and digest harmful microorganisms. Moreover, your immune system remembers past infections, allowing for a quicker response if the same pathogen tries to invade again, demonstrating its adaptive capability. Vaccines also support this system by training it to recognize specific threats before actual exposure. Your eyes can differentiate between around 10 million colors, enabling you to see subtle variations in shades. Your ears are capable of hearing sounds as faint as 0.00002 pascals, showcasing their sensitivity to even the smallest vibrations. Your sense of smell is so advanced that it can identify and remember about 1 trillion different scents, playing a significant role in memory and emotions. These remarkable abilities illustrate the complexity and interconnection of our sensory experiences. Your skeleton is dynamic and essential for multiple functions. For example, bones continuously undergo remodeling, with osteoblasts forming new bone and osteoclasts breaking down old bone. This process allows bones to adapt to stress, such as increased weight from exercise, making them denser and stronger. Additionally, bones like the skull protect the brain while the ribcage shields the heart and lungs. In terms of mineral storage, bones serve as a reservoir for calcium and phosphorus, critical for various bodily functions. Furthermore, red bone marrow is crucial for hematopoiesis, the production of red and white blood cells, highlighting its role in maintaining healthy blood and immune function. Muscles play a crucial role in various body functions. For instance, the hamstrings help in bending the knee during activities such as running or jumping, while the biceps and triceps work together to enable arm movements, like lifting or throwing objects. In the torso, the diaphragm is essential for breathing, contracting and relaxing to facilitate airflow into the lungs. Additionally, the muscles in your jaw allow for chewing and speaking, demonstrating their importance in daily life. Moreover, when engaging in exercise, such as weightlifting or yoga, different muscle groups cooperate to ensure balance, strength, and flexibility. Even during sleep, core muscles stabilize the spine and support body alignment. DNA is the fundamental genetic material present in every living cell, serving as a comprehensive instruction manual. For example, the DNA in human cells encodes the necessary instructions for growth, development, and various biological processes, mirroring functions in other organisms, such as how plant DNA guides photosynthesis. Additionally, recent research has highlighted the similarities between human DNA and that of chimpanzees, revealing about 98% genetic overlap, which underlines our shared ancestry and connections with other species. Your body continuously demonstrates remarkable repair capabilities. For instance, when you have a scrape on your skin, the cells quickly work to close the wound and regenerate new skin tissue. Similarly, if you break a bone, the body initiates a healing process where new bone cells form to bridge the fracture. Moreover, the liver's ability to regenerate is extraordinary. Even if a significant portion of it is removed surgically, it can grow back to its original size. These examples illustrate not just resilience but an inherent capacity for restoration that highlights the evolutionary importance of survival mechanisms in our biology. Metabolism is a fundamental process that enables the body to convert food into energy. For example, when you eat carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, which is then used to create ATP. Similarly, proteins are digested into amino acids, some of which can also be converted into glucose or directly into ATP energy. Additionally, fat metabolism breaks fats down into fatty acids, which can enter pathways to produce ATP. This continuous conversion and usage of nutrients are why athletes often consume higher amounts of carbohydrates and proteins to fuel their intense training and recovery, illustrating the critical role of metabolism in physical performance and energy management. The human body exhibits incredible features such as the ability to heal itself, as evidenced by the way cuts and wounds close over time, demonstrating the power of the immune system and skin regeneration. Additionally, the brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, which enable complex thinking, memory, and sensory processing, showcasing the organ's remarkable capabilities. Furthermore, the intricate network of the circulatory system, with the heart pumping blood through a vast system of arteries and veins, highlights the efficiency with which oxygen and nutrients are delivered to every cell. These examples reflect the coordinated and miraculous functions that sustain life. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the hidden wonders of the human body. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to subscribe to BioSnap, Science That Clicks, for more videos that make science simple, fun, and unforgettable.